Hello class, now in this lecture we will see the another law of ideal gas, that is Charles law. So it is derived by the Jacques Alexander Charles. Okay, so on the basis of his name it's called as a Charles law. So the Charles law give you the relationship between volume and temperature. Okay, so the statement of Charles law is volume of gas varies directly with absolute temperature at a constant pressure. Okay, so what it says, at a constant pressure condition, volume is directly proportional to the temperature. So similarly, in the previous case, as a Boyle's law, we have seen PV is equal to K. Here also V is equal to KT. So K is again the proportionality constant. If V is directly proportional to T, so to remove that proportionality constant, we are putting here equality sign, and in addition to that we are putting the proportionality constant, that is K. So here V is equal to KT. This is the relationship of the Charles law. Okay, what it says, volume is directly proportional to temperature at a constant pressure condition. Okay, जब वॉल्यूम और टेम्परेचर एक दूसरे के समांतर में चेंज होते हैं, जब प्रेशर ऑफ सिस्टम हमेशा ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस अगर कांस्टेंट हो रहा है या रह रहा है तो ओके. सो for the process 1 to 2, it's V1 by T1 is equal to V2 T2. So this is the think when we bring this temperature this side of equality sign, then v by t it equal to k, it look like. Okay, so v by t equal to k is nothing but v1 by t1 is equal to v2 by t2. Okay, so as we have seen in the Boyle's law. Now we will see how exactly it happens. So this is system 1 and this is system 2, not state system 2, it is a state 1 and state 2. Okay, so in both the state 1 and state 2 you can notice here atmospheric pressure is 1, here also atmospheric pressure is 1. Okay, so in both the cases atmospheric pressure is 1. So now you can see the volume of system here at a state 1 is 0.5 liter, means half liter, and here at state 2 the volume is 1 liter, but the process 1 to 2 are look like heating, and 2 to 1 again is 2 to 1 again cooling. So whenever we are transforming system 1 to 2, जब हमारा सिस्टम स्टेट 1 टू स्टेट 2 ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है, दैट टाइम इट द प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज अ हीटिंग, एंड व्हेन हमारा सिस्टम 2 to 1 अगेन वापस आ रहा है तो हम कूलिंग प्रोसेस यूज कर रहे हैं, हम कूल कर रहे हैं सिस्टम को. ओके, बट एट what constant pressure? Here also on the piston pressure is constant, and here also at the system on the pressure on the system is 1. So system 1 to system 2, so sorry, state 1 to state 2 system get transforming. Okay, heating and the cooling. So now this is the thing, V is equal to 0.5 liter and it is V is equal to 1 liter, and the temperature here is 200 Kelvin and here temperature is the 400 Kelvin. So जब हम इस सिस्टम से mass of the working fluid present inside the system will be remain same. For example, अगर यहाँ 1 kg मास यूज कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ भी 1 kg मास ही रहेगा. सिर्फ हम इस सिस्टम से हीट, इस सिस्टम को हम हीट ऐड कर रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग द हीटिंग प्रोसेस. तो स्टेट 1 टू स्टेट 2 सिस्टम जा रहा है बाय रेजिंग पिस्टन अपवर्ड. सो जब हम इसको हीट ऐड कर रहे हैं 200 टू 400 केल्विन अगर सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर कर रहे हैं, मतलब हीट ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट टाइम पिस्टन will move upward as whatever the gas present or substance present inside it start to expand. So due to that volume increases along with the temperature increases at the constant pressure. Now हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि अगेन स्टेट 2 टू स्टेट 1 अगर हमको जाना है तो हमको क्या करना है, इस सिस्टम को कूल करना है. तो हम हीट रिमूव करेंगे एंड टेम्परेचर 400 से 200 पे लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो दैट प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज अ कूलिंग प्रोसेस, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, द एंटायर volume which is doubled in the initial process get reduce or shrink, because हम हीट निकाल रहे हैं इसमें से, तो whatever the gas present inside the system will shrink or compress, and due to that volume decreases and temperature reaches to 200 Kelvin degrees Celsius from 400, and atmospheric pressure remains same, 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so here also we can see. So this is a volume versus temperature plot. This is a volume vertical and this is the temperature. As pressure is constant, we no need to show this thing. Okay, no need to show. So in here you can see the this is a system piston cylinder regiment. Okay, and with respect to the heating, okay, this is a, if you go upward it is a heating. So what will happen with respect to this point, this it is state 1 and this is a state 2. At this state 1 volume is 30 ml and temperature is somewhat minus 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so at state 1 minus 100 degrees Celsius and the 30 ml. So whenever I am heating the system, the temperature will reaches to what, 57 or 58 degrees Celsius, and the volume will reaches to 60 ml. So at a constant pressure, at both the cases only single load added on the piston. Here also single load, here also single load. So pressure on the system is remain constant, but with respect to the change in heat, volume is increases. Here volume is 30 ml and here volume is 60 ml as I am adding the heat into the system. So temperature and volume is directly proportional at a constant volume, which is set by Charles, which is set by the Charles law. Okay. ओके, सो अभी यही सेम सिस्टम अगर आपको सेम प्रोसेस अगर आपको प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम प्लॉट पे दिखाना है, प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम. सो दिस इज अ पीवी प्लॉट एंड दिस इज लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन which represent the process 1 to 2. So this is process 1 and this is a process 2 at a constant pressure. So pressure is constant but volume is increases. Okay, so system कप के ऊपर प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है. ओके, एंड हम हीट ऐड कर रहे हैं. So with respect to adding heat, what will happen? Volume is increasing. So this is a on the PV plot we can show this thing as like that. Okay, so if you go 1 to 2, this is state 1, this is state 2. अगर हम 1 to 2 जा रहे हैं तो इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, so it is a heating. अगर हम state 2 to 1 जा रहे हैं, that is इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, so it's a cooling process. Okay, so pressure will be remain same in both cases. So that's why P will be remain constant and volume increasing and decreasing with respect to the change in temperature. If you want to show the same process on TS plot, temperature and entropy plot, so as temperature increases, entropy increases. The thing we have studied in entropy, addition of heat responsible to enhance entropy, reducing of heat responsible to reduce entropy. So heat added, so entropy increases, heat remove, entropy decreases. So this is one state 1 to state 2. Okay, and when we come back from state 2 to state 1, then heat removing, cooling we can say, and entropy goes on decreasing. So this is a process. On PV plot you can't notice what change in temperature. On TS plot you can't notice change in volume. Okay, and we temperature, sorry, volume and temperature plot you can't notice pressure. So this is a 2D plot. So all three when come together, three-dimensional plot will be there. Okay, and that become more difficult to understand. So better to have correlate these three plot what separately. Okay, because on the three-dimensional plot it is very difficult to judge the inclination of the line, okay, along the axis. So here you can see easily the pressure आपका constant है, तो pressure constant दिख रहा है because the Charles law says at a constant pressure volume and temperature are directly proportional. Okay, so at a constant pressure volume increases. At constant pressure अगर volume increase है, it directly means temperature भी volume के साथ बढ़ रहा है, but on PV plot वो हम notice नहीं कर पा रहे. But when we are going shifting to TS plot, then we can see temperature बढ़ रहा है और entropy भी बढ़ रहा है. But it is a thumb rule. जब temperature बढ़ता है तो entropy बढ़ता है, it is a thumb rule. और जब temperature कम होता है तो entropy कम होता है, this is a thumb rule. But यहाँ हमें volume और temperature का relation करना है, but volume not notice, we can't notice on the TS plot. But it means कि हमारा इट डजेंट मीन अगर TS प्लॉट पे टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है और एंट्रोपी बढ़ रहा है, टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है, एंट्रोपी कम हो रहा है, दैट इज ओके. बट इट डजेंट मीन हियर जो प्रोसेस है 1 to 2 और 2 to 1 वो कांस्टेंट प्रेशर है या कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम है. बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ द कांस्टेंट volume also temperature can increases, okay, and temperature decreases. So only by viewing a TS plot you can't say, but when you are looking for the volume and temperature plot, you directly say as volume increases temperature increases, as volume decreases temperature decreases. Okay, here you can see as as volume decreases here, so temperature also decreases. As volume increases, temperature also increases. So here on the basis of the VT plot, volume temperature plot, आप directly बोल सकते हो कि this is a Charles law. This system process obeys the Charles law, and pressure is constant. Okay, so this is the thing how to draw a PV and TS plot. That thing you have to notice on the basis of Charles law, on the basis of Boyle's law. We have to think how the gases pressure, temperature, volume and entropy, those thermophysical property behaves on 2D plot. Okay, so this is Charles law. You can I think you have understood this thing. Okay, now next lecture we'll move for the next law. Thank you.